This is feeding the birds. They like this. Watch. Watch, they'll squabble. Look.
Throw it in the air, hon.
Okay.
Woo! Did they catch it? Oh, wow. There are plenty now. Somewhere there, hon, so I can video.
Here.
No, there. On the other side. On your right. Ooh, see? So I can...
How many are there, hon?
I don't know, I cannot count. It's too bright. Ooh. They squabble for tiny bread that Dave starts throwing them in the air.
They're very hungry.
Yeah. Feed the hungry hand. Share your blessing.
This is stale bread.
And
Ready?
yeah. Throw it in the air. Somebody would catch it. No.
Watch. He's going to take it. He's got it, look. He's greedy.
Is he?
Does he want it?
Look. Shoot.
He's got it. Look, look.
Oh. Where's the swan? Ah! Is that all? Oh, yeah, they're gone. They're flying in the air.
It's all gone. They've eaten half a loaf.
Bye.
Bye.